Hello, friends. I'm Alexius Varro, your guide on this journey to mastering the art of Stoic living. Today, we're exploring a profound chapter from the timeless work Meditations by Marcus Aurelius. It's day 95 in our series, and the chapter is titled, Don't Get Carried Away. Here, we'll uncover how this ancient wisdom can help us navigate success without losing our true selves. Marcus Aurelius, a philosopher-emperor, lived a life of immense power and responsibility. He didn't desire the throne, it was thrust upon him. Imagine being in his shoes, suddenly the richest man, head of the mightiest army, ruler of the vastest empire, and revered almost as a deity. Despite these immense changes, he strived to remain humble, grounded, and true to his deepest values. Let's dive into a powerful quote from him. Watch out, don't become a Caesar, don't get soaked in purple, it can happen. Keep yourself simple, decent, unspoiled, stern, direct, a friend of justice, pious, kind, courteous, strong in every appropriate action. Engage in the struggle to remain as the accepted teachings have made you. Honor the gods, preserve humanity. Life is short, the only fruit of this earthly existence is a righteous state of mind and actions for the common good. This message resonates deeply, even in our modern times. Marcus reminds us to stay vigilant and not to let success or status define who we are. But what does it mean to not get soaked in purple in today's context? Imagine your greatest professional achievement, being promoted, launching a successful business, or gaining a massive following on social media. This success can be intoxicating. The accolades, the increased attention, the new opportunities, they can all shift our focus from why we started our journey in the first place. The key lesson from Marcus's words is to remain steadfast and not let external validation corrupt our inner virtues. No matter what we achieve, maintaining a righteous state of mind and acting for the common good is essential. Marcus emphasizes simplicity, kindness, courtesy, and justice as crucial values. In our fast-paced lives, it's easy to lose sight of what truly matters. Our minds must lead the way, guarding us against the temptations and pressures that success can bring. Consider Marcus's life again. He frequently wrote small notes to himself, reminding him of his principles. These notes were his anchor, helping him stay aligned with his core values amidst the whirlwind of his imperial duties. We too can benefit from similar practices. Daily reminders, whether through journaling, meditative reflection, or even setting intentions in the morning, can keep us grounded. A practical way to put Marcus's teachings into action is by creating a daily self-check-in. Ask yourself questions like, am I acting with integrity? Am I being kind and just in my actions? Am I staying true to my values despite external pressures? These reflections can serve as a compass, guiding us through the complexities of modern life. As Marcus beautifully puts it, life is short. The only fruit of this earthly existence is a righteous state of mind and actions for the common good. Success, in whatever form, should not lead us astray from leading a life of virtue. When we stay true to our principles, we not only enrich our lives, but also contribute positively to those around us. So friends, let's embrace this Stoic challenge. Strive for success, but remain vigilant. Keep your inner compass aligned with your core values. Use your achievements as a platform to spread kindness, justice, and humanity. Remember, real greatness isn't in titles or accolades, but in a life lived with virtue and purpose. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this insightful, hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more Stoic wisdom. Let's continue to grow and thrive together, one Stoic principle at a time. Stay resilient, stay disciplined, and keep that inner calm. Until next time, I'm Alexius Varro, wishing you a life of virtue and fulfillment.